We are working on Word Multi-Project 3. We're on the Family Orchid project. The first task is going to ask us to go ahead and apply the present one effect to this photo. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Anytime you have a photo, smart art, table, chart, there's some other things, you get special tabs at the top. So we're going to go ahead and click this format button here, and we're looking for the present one effect. Now if you're just thinking and just clicking, you might select from here, but you actually want picture effects. And once you click that, you have the present, and we're looking for present one, which happens to be this one. If you're not sure, hover. It will tell you what you are selecting before you do so. We'll click Mark Completed. The next step has us going to this picture right here, and we're going to apply a border. But we're not just applying a border that's green. We also need to add the weight of 3 points. So you can do which one you choose first, but make sure you do both. And so with this selected, we want to do picture border drop down. We'll go ahead and select light green first, but then we need to go back and select our weight. And for this one, it already has it set for 3, but you want to do both. We'll click Mark Completed. The third task asks us to go ahead and select the picture of the peach, and we're going to apply a bevel rectangle. Now, there are picture effects that are bevel, but this one is a picture style. Now I have to find it. If you're not sure, we're going to hover. There we go. Took me a little bit, but again, I wasn't sure, so I just hovered. Apply the style. We'll go ahead and click Mark Completed. And task 4 asks us to find the plum photo. We're going to go ahead and apply the tight text wrap. Now I can do that from here and apply the tight, or with this selected, again, we have the special tabs at the top. We'll click here, the text wrap in the arrange group, and we'll click tight, and that'll do the same thing. We'll click Mark Completed.